guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Olivia and I've been really sick, so just bear with me. I'm going to be showing slime, so yeah, let's get into it. And so the first one is marshmallow. Oh, this is a slime package too, I kind of forgot to say that, but yeah, I unpackaged them all, and yeah, I'll tell you the prices of them. So this is marshmallow, and the price that it was, I think, was $3.50. So yeah, so it's like I asked for a fluffy marshmallow slime, and it looks fluffy. So let's just see. Very good. I do like this slime, and I'm rating it 1 to 10. So this would probably be like, for me, probably an 8.5. I like this. Let's rate that up to a 9, just because it's a good slime. Alright, let's get on to our next one. Alright, so our next one is lavender, and this one's scented, and this was $1.28. So it's lavender, and yeah, it's scented lavender. Makes weird sound. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I do like that. Okay, so I think I'm gonna rate this an 8.5 because, I mean, it's strong, and I don't know, it's just the texture wet. It feels wet. So yeah, let's get on to our next one. Alright, so our next one is peppermint, and it is scented. This one was I think $2.25. Peppermint, and it's scented peppermint. It's stiff, and I'm surprised it's not melted because we live in the sunny state, which is Florida. And yeah, I mean, it's good. But again, with the stiffness, and it rips, so I'll probably give this like 7. Yeah. So on with our next one. Alright, so the next one is Orange Blossom, and this one is scented Orange Blossom. Ooh, it's sticky. It's probably what the gain activator was for. I don't know. It feels wet in a way. I don't know. I don't know. It's just wet. texture and the poking sounds are weird. It smells good, so 1 point. It's very stretchy and pokey, so that's +2. So I would rate this probably a 9. Yeah, 9. I was gonna give it a 10, but wet texture, so yeah, this has been a good package so far. And it's nice because she gave us extras. Okay, so let's get on to the next. Alright, so the next one is Sky. And it is not scented. And it's pokey. It's very stretchy. Very. I love this color. Which I'm assuming that the Tide was a good activator because, wait, this smells like Tide though. I don't know. Well, I'm probably gonna give this a 9 and a 9.8. So let's get on to the next one. Okay, so this one is Ocean. It's mixed with, so yeah. It's kind of hard to get out, so I'm just gonna use a spoon. I can tell it's gonna be a little sticky, but that's alright, I guess. So yeah. Okay, so this one is Ocean. It is scented amber. And this one is really pretty. It's teal, my 2 favorite colors mixed together, plus my favorite color. So, it's very pokey. It is stretchy. And, I mean, it's good, no wet texture. There's no problems with this one, so this is probably the winner. 10. I rate this 10. I really like this one. And it came in this cute little package. Like, that's cute. Oh, it's funny because that cute thing and it came in the, like, in the package and I'm like, that's funny, dude. Alright, so yeah, I do like this. Oh, was not expecting that. Ooh, let's see if that's crunchy. No? Come on. Okay. Alright, well, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.